Now that we've learned how to set up and access the client and configured it for more efficiency, let's take a step back to revisit the Evergreen ILS interfaces. As mentioned before, there are two main interfaces that we refer to when talking about Evergreen. We will spend more time talking about the client in this module, but it is worth glancing at the OPAC briefly. The OPAC, or Online Public Access Catalog, is publicly available on the Internet and does not require a library account to search or explore most links. An individual will need a library account to access the My Account feature and to place holds through the catalog. The OPAC also contains links to a variety of information and resources available from Evergreen, Indiana and the Indiana State Library. We will explore the OPAC with more detail in other modules. The Evergreen client allows member library staff members to perform the business of the library. The first page you will see after logging into the Evergreen Indiana client is the home page. This page includes several quick links arranged by category, a basic catalog search field, as well as the top navigation bar where the various task menus are located. The navigation bar is available on every screen in the client. If you want to navigate back to the home page at any point, click the house icon in the upper left-hand corner. Several task menus are located along the top navigation bar in the client. Click the down arrow next to each to expand it and select from the various tasks. Each of the menus includes tasks associated with different aspects of library management. We'll take a look at each briefly. More detail on the menus and tasks will be provided in subsequent training. The search menu provides you with quick access to look for the most common things in Evergreen, records associated with patrons and items. The circulation menu is split into 5 areas: circulating items, patron accounts, holds, item management, and offline circulation. Like the circulation menu, the cataloging menu is organized into sections. The first section includes tasks related to discovering records, finding more details about individual items, and gathering types of records together. The second section deals with retrieving specific bibliographic records using specialized identifiers. The third section includes links to the tools to create, import, and edit bibliographic records and holdings. In its own section is a tool called Link Checker. This is a tool that is reserved for specific uses, requires special permissions, and can generally be disregarded. Finally, the last section deals with authority records. Evergreen, Indiana uses the Library of Congress Authority Thesauri. The Acquisitions menu contains tools to provide internal efficiencies and improved management over the purchase of materials. The tools in this menu are part of the Acquisitions module, which interfaces with the Cataloging module to avoid duplicate orders and allows single-stream handling of bibliographic data from the time of ordering a material until it is completely cataloged and becomes a normalized part of the collection. The Administration menu provides access to the many tools used to set up and configure how the tools in the other menus work. It also gives access to the Reports interface and has several links from manuals, ordering supplies, and notices. On the far right-hand side of the navigation bar, the User menu allows you to change staff accounts, log out completely from the client, and find out more about which version of Evergreen ILS is being used. If Hatch, a special print utility, is enabled, you will also be able to access its configuration screen from the User menu. In this same area, you will find information about which staff account you are using, as well as the name of the workstation you are using.